I got parts coming in for this right here. I got a couple of things that I'm replacing and a couple of things that I'm adding. So stay tuned for the stuff that's coming on hook. All right, peace. Let's go, y'all. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you with another video. I know somebody like, man, another installation? Yeah, it's another, but it's very small installations that I'm finna do. Something to really secure my oil cooler on the bottom, cause it's getting rock dings in it. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But yeah, we got some stuff that's gonna go on the bike, y'all. But before we start that, big shout out to guys doing things. My TT connection, Tay and Trey from Guys Doing Things, y'all. If you want one of these made right here, I got one for hook from a Gold Wing, and I got one with Kong on it right up back here, and I got another one that they gave me. I don't even know if I want to use this one. This one's so pretty right here. These two right here, man, but I'm gonna try to use them, man, but I really want to hang them on the wall. Big shout out to them. Hey, if you want one of these, it may cost you a little, it may cost you a lot, but it's gonna cost you. So y'all hit them guys up. I'm gonna put their email address right here. Hit my boy Tay up, man. He'll definitely take care of you. If you follow their channel, you see how he took care of Kim and Matt. Hey, big ups to Kim and Matt, y'all. Y'all keep doing y'all thing, y'all. Y'all go check out Kim and Matt Adventures over there and Guys Doing Things. Y'all check them guys out. They doing big things, especially, wow, man, I'm excited, y'all. But y'all, if you want one of these, check them out again. You see how he got Honda on this right here? I got hook upside down. So he got Honda on that. And they got the Harley Davidson symbol right here and got Harley right here in 3D. Man, go check them out and get you one of these. But yeah, y'all, today, y'all, we finna do this short video here because let me show you something. Right down here, y'all. Look at that. Look how my cooler is getting all dinged up because I have a mid-link fender right here. We finna do something to get that taken care of so that we won't have any issues, because you go down the road, you get you a good rock or debris, hit that, and might put a hole in it. You might be stuck out on the side of the road. So this might be something you might want to invest in. I found this on eBay right here. Let me show it to you. It's just a little screen for protection. I'm gonna keep it this color right here. I'm not gonna try to paint it black because you get rock chips on here, it start looking really bad. So we're gonna put that down there first. And if you caught my last video when I was actually doing the the highway pegs, I needed that spacer. I ordered these spacers from Amazon, and I really like the way they look. Let me show you how they look, man. I'm just gonna do this one side over here, and this won't be an installation video, but I want to show it to you, man. Let me show you how these look, and I like the way these look, man. Look at that, y'all. It come with all the screws. It come with all the different spacers right here. They contrast cut. You got these right here. I'm gonna be using these two right here to go on there, and these screws, so that when I put it, you can see right here where I'm missing the spacer. I'm missing a spacer right here. You see I got one, and I won't be putting my pressure on there. This one screw might hold it, but I'm not taking any chances. And I'm gonna use blue Loctite. You see I got that sitting right here. And one more other thing that we're gonna do, like I say, this ain't gonna be an installation video. I don't want you to sit through the whole video with me installing it. This is very easy, man, very easy. And I'm gonna put these on right here. I'm going chrome. I wasn't gonna make a video on this, but I'm just gonna show this to you. I'm going chrome from the black that's on here. And I think that's gonna look good with the chrome thrashing bar and the chrome thrashing clutch clamp. So I'm gonna get to the video. When I get done with it, I'm gonna show it to you. I might show you a few little clips, and I might zoom through it, fast forward. All right. So I'm gonna get this done, and I'm gonna show it to you when I'm finished. Let's go. And it looks good, man. First, I'm gonna show you the clutch clamps and the housing, the chrome ones. Can you see that? Look at that. Look how that look. Oh man, that looks really good. I just thought it matched up pretty good with the thrashing bar, chrome bars, and the clutch clamps. And let me show you this down here. And that look much cleaner, y'all. Look at that. All that looks cleaner. And you see that I have the spacers on here too as well. Check that out, that contrast cut spacers right there. Yeah, man. I told you this is gonna be a short video. Man, Kong is looking crazy, man. And I think I'm through, y'all. If I get the carbon, but I think I'm through, y'all. If I get the carbon fiber fairing, that might be it. Then I'm thinking about putting music on, and I'm not sure. But y'all, we're gonna end this video. Your boy did a 14-hour shift today, and I am tired. And I got out of work and come right up in here. I've been up since 11:30 last night, man. So yeah, we got that done because me and a couple of other buddies, y'all stay tuned. We're going to Kerrville this Saturday, man. We're getting up Saturday morning and we're heading out, man. We gotta do some finishing, how you say it, just get some finishing work done. So Twisted in Texas 3 will be a hit. So y'all stay tuned to Twisted in Texas 3. And y'all, fellowship ride, it's gonna be July 18th. I'm gonna give you more details on that after I get back, but that's gonna be July the 18th. I'm gonna give you all the apps, and we're not doing the same ride. I'm gonna tell you that it's not the same ride. We're doing some East Texas back roads down through Jacksonville, Henderson, and we're gonna end up in Longview at the Harley dealership across from the Golden Corral, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for more information on that. And yeah, it's gonna be epic, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for the fellowship ride number 3, y'all. So we're gonna end the video right here so I can go take me a shower and get into bed. I gotta be up at 11:30 again. Until the next time, baby, the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Peace. I love y'all, man. Appreciate the support. Click the like, share, and subscribe for me, okay? I'm out. Soul in the ride. Forever bold on that Kelly B glide. He rides with fire. He rides.